Hey guys, Sandra here, and today I want to continue on to part 2. Yesterday, part 1, we talked about business opportunity and how you needed to find an opportunity or a product that you really love, that you are willing to make income from. Whether that be side hustle or you want to make it a full-time income. We talked about business opportunity and how this is something that you would use to invest in to make more income for yourself, right? So part 2 would be marketing system. And a marketing system is what you would need in order to make money online, because what it is basically a funnel, and it does the selling and telling for you. So when you're new, you really don't know what you're doing, you don't know what to do, so this funnel will do the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to do that yourself, and it will do the follow-up with emails. When someone puts their name and email in the capture page, it will do the follow-up for you. Like here, this would be like a capture page. They will put in their name and email, and when you click here, it'll go into the so-called funnel, right? And then you can have it tell people what to do, the next step, and also it will follow up with your prospects with emails. And this is why I like the Power Lead system, because it is a marketing system, it's a business opportunity, and it has products on the inside. So it has all three. And that's what I love about the Power Lead system. But this is what you need when you have a business, and it helps people, especially newbies. So actually, when you get into business, you can learn as you earn. You don't have to know everything in order to get into a business. You can just set it up and then start learning as you're earning. As people go into your funnel, you're still learning, right? So that would be the second step in making money online, and that will be having your marketing system, right? So tomorrow, stay tuned for part 3, and thank you for listening, for watching. Please remember to click the subscribe button so you can see part 3 tomorrow, and remember, you must hustle, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.